Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. But first, me go kick it off like this.
How much road you pay? Much apartment you make? When you really and truly, you know, do nothing at all. But then take taxpayer money. One left record. You are hearing me out of the press. She said them feel we don't have to guess. You are hearing me out of the press. Fire chant right away. Say them build a lot of road. So what? Remember you never start that one there from scratch. Say you build apartment. So what? When the youth them a suffer every day and them can't afford that. You build a lot of road. So what? Remember you never start that one there from scratch. Say you build apartment. So what? When the youth them a suffer every day and them can't afford that. Me hear you promising the people them but taxes are go low. But that me not too certain and me not too sure. Only when election draw near through the garage say you tour. Now the people them a ball say them can't take it no more. Tell bro God fi step down because we want him fi come out. How the fuck you get your wife fi turn the speaker of the house? I fi hide the dirty secret but the truth is soon come out. Hey right now Jamaica in a drought but you build a lot of road. So what? Remember you never start that one there from scratch. Say you build apartment. So what? When the youth them a suffer every day and them can't afford that. You build a lot of road. So what? Remember you never start that one there from scratch. Say you build apartment. So what? When the youth them a suffer every day and them can't.
Brap. Wanna hear tune, my wisdom warriors? Real thing, man. Me say me have to come share this with you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Right there. So anyway, we are run up and down right in this right now, my wisdom warriors, because some things need to expose round here. Taking this.
I am saying to you, him call me criminal is a different story. I'm asking you to ask, the meeting will not go further.
I did the same, Mr. D.
You don't have to call, you're referring to me as a criminal.
You believe I'm referring to you?
I don't believe, I know and you know.
I to court. Sue me, Mr.
Chairman, I am asking you.
Sue me.
Chairman, you will not have any peace in here. No peace will be in here this meeting.
I didn't call nobody.
But the meeting will not move on.
Hold on, Mr. Jones. Mr. Williams, please.
I didn't say Mr. D.
Chairman. Okay, go ahead.
I am asking Mr. Williams. He's saying that you're saying that to Mr. Joe, you're referring to it. I'm asking to withdraw. If you're not,
Mr. Chairman,
yes.
with all respect, I didn't mention any name. I say I don't want to sit and listen to any criminals. Okay? So if you want to believe, if you believe he's a criminal in the room, I want to accept that. I want to take it upon himself.
Chairman.
But the thing is this, why say I don't have to sit and listen to any criminal?
Remember, this meeting will not be nice. I tell you that. Continue. You want to have more of me? I'm coming at you.
Come.
Go ahead.
Remember when we are sitting here this morning for the people's business. So please, we are asking that we have page 9, sorry.
When the apology was made, I didn't hear the deputy mayor mention that the mayor was sick.
You don't have to go into the details.
No. When you're going to ask the mayor, if you're going to absent from general council meeting, you have to send something, a valid apology. It can't be a situation where you just say, oh, I apologize like that. Because you have to remember the office that you hold. And the office that you hold is supposed to talk. This meeting is a meeting that you need to communicate parish. By virtue of his absence, he will not be able to do that. This is the platform that we use. So if my colleague, Mr. Jones, Councillor Jones, want to see it okay, I don't see it okay, and I don't believe the people, the residents of this parish see it okay for the mayor to just absent like that. We get paid to come here. We don't come here for free.
My wisdom warriors, me did have to drop the ataclapsia early. Me did have to drop the ataclapsia early, my wisdom warriors. Jano, because ununa sister the PNP man a call the labor right man criminal. Ununa say what one. Hey, Dean Jones vexing a man because Hubert Williams, the man, the fat man, him name Williams, and the other man there, that man him name Dean Jones. My wisdom warriors, the one where I say my call. Me know say me my call criminal. It's sweet me see my wisdom warriors. Me say me have to drop this early in the video given now. Me have to drop this. Hey, and the PNP man a rub it in her face and now so me. It's sweet me. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about that and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
6 months after pledging support to the Kenyan-led mission in Haiti, Jamaica is sending a first wave of troops.
Wanna hear the foreign news, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear what the lady just say? Wanna hear what the lady just say? So you see the batch were gone. That is the first batch. More is going. But Andrew Holness has send them small, little. 24, then probably 24 again, then probably 24 again. Mighty God of Daniel. So Andrew Holness never tell we said that was the plan. We have to go hear it from the foreign news. Me tell us, this is why, who remember when I talk about the code of conduct? Who remember when I talk about the code of conduct earlier? This is one of the things. He not truthful to the Jamaican people. He never tell me say he must send the first batch. He say only I go send 24. He never tell the people them say he must send first batch, then he must send second batch, then he must send third batch. Me tell you about this man. Me tell you about this Prime Minister. He not truthful to Jamaican people. We have to go hear from foreign news. Seriously. Mighty God of Daniel. The St. Catherine-based teacher who is accused of the sexual molestation of a 12-year-old student was granted bail in the sum of $100,000 in St. Catherine Parish Court on Friday. He is answering to charges of sexual grooming, sexual touching, and indecent assault. Attorney at law Kimwai Macron made the successful bail application before Senior Parish Court Judge Yvette Wentworth Miller. My wisdom warriors, you see them a people here? Them ya people here must get no granted bail. No. Why are they getting granted bail? Me just not understand it. Why? These people were molest, people pitney, people boy pitney, people girl pitney, and then the judge a grant them bail. Me tell you say, me not understand the court system. The court system a go back way. The court system is going back way. And then I put up a picture of this man, you know. Then I put up a picture of this teacher. It's a teacher that do that. It's a teacher that do such a thing to a 12-year-old child. Sexual touching and indecent assault. My wisdom warriors. Grooming and all kind of something. This is why me always a call upon the government to publish the sexual offender registry. But because the government have some sexual offender in a for them camp, they don't want to publish it. Them no want to publish it, my wisdom warriors. And then them, I tell we say, we for protect we pitney. But we out here protecting our child. But look at this parent now. Look at this parent. She sent her child to school. And a teacher a molest the 12-year-old pitney. How can a parent protect them child when them child sent to school or them child is on the way going to school? Isn't that the government responsibility? I want to know, do some critical thinking in my wisdom warriors. Remember, there's child trafficking going on in Jamaica. The minister came out and said it. Yes, Juliet Cockburn Flynn, she came out and she said it. You understand? You know what? Let me just show you one little piece before they say, I lie me a tell. Government committed to eradicating child trafficking, Cockburn Flynn. This was Thursday, August the 1st, 2024. So she said no, the government is ready to stop child trafficking. That's exactly what it means, my wisdom warriors. State Minister for National Security Juliet Cockburn Flynn says the government is committed to eradicating child trafficking. Minister Cockburn Flynn says the nation must prioritize child protection, bolster legislation, improve law enforcement, and allocate more resources to combat child trafficking. She says prevention efforts should target root causes such as poverty and inequality to reduce children's vulnerability. To date, she says there are 10 child-friendly spaces across the island for interviewing and assisting child victims. 3 operational 24-hour hotlines to report cases of human trafficking through the Child Protection and Family Service Agency. So, my wisdom warriors, there you go. There you go. So, when you see the pitney them missing and gone, and you not hear say, then find them down at the bottom of the hill, or then find them in a river. Just notice. Just notice. Anytime pitney go missing, you never hear them come and say, them find the pitney will go missing other day. Never, my wisdom warriors. Never. And they not keep a press briefing. Like them act like it's not important. They not come out and let Jamaica know that, because Jamaican people don't know that. Jamaican people do not know that, my wisdom warriors. You understand? And I have been out here advocating for Delroy Chuck to release and publish the sexual offender registry. And Delroy Chuck don't want to do it, my wisdom warriors. Delroy Chuck don't want to do it. Delroy Chuck say, when them go to prison and do them time, he don't think it is fair. He don't think it's fair for the offender to do his time and come out and people are point on them and say, oh, I'm a the rapist. And that Delroy say, my wisdom warriors. And that Delroy say, you can't imagine? You can't imagine. So when we see these things now with these teachers, they're out here telling us to protect our children. But yet, what the government do? Not protect the children. Not protect the children. Because look, when we send we pitney go to school, you have teacher molest people pitney. This is not right, my wisdom warriors. This is not right. And we are calling on the government to publish the sexual offender registry.
Cartel do for the PNP, Dr. Campbell?
Well, we're the People's Party. We've always been the party that is welcoming to Jamaicans from all different areas of the society. We've been the party that has, understood that there are persons who come from certain areas of the society who can break the shackles of poverty through.
My wisdom warriors, a lot of people, and you have 1 and 2 bloggers, Lord Jesus, out here, and because Dayton Campbell talk about, because the interviewer, the reporter man or whatever you want to call him, a question Dayton and ask him, really about Vibes Cartel, because students see Vibes Cartel in a orange and they know say ISAT say PNP and know the things said, so everybody I wonder if Cartel is coming, including the reporter. Well, and you have 1 and 2 bloggers, talk bad about, I don't understand, you see these people, and guess what? Them the blogger that we are talking to, my wisdom warriors, was activists for, so-called activists for PNP, and through they not get them own way, they get beat against the party. Listen, and I like how Dayton Campbell answer the reporter, the interviewer, whatever. I like how he answer him. It is the People's National Party. Everybody is welcome. Every single person is welcome. Yeah. Nobody don't know who are going to turn up. Nobody don't know if Vibes Cartel is going to go tomorrow. I would be glad to see him. That me want. I want him to turn up so I can mad out. Uno do taking labor right. I that me want. I just want to turn up just for the fun of it. Just for the fun of it, my wisdom warriors. I would like Vibes Cartel for turn up. And that, them a pray, you know, me tell you what the labor right them a do. Them a open and pray say Vibes Cartel not turn up so them can spread propaganda. You know, no. Hey, they're terrible, you know. They're terrible. So when I hear that interviewer, or reporter, however you call him, a question Nathan Campbell, I find they just want to find out if cartel are go come. I could have all the labor right them send all that they want they come question Nathan. You think they're easy? You think they're easy so they stress out. Them stress out. Listen, Andrew Holness now get another term. Let me tell you that. You see, God love we. Yeah, God love we. And God see what Andrew Holness doing is not right. Yeah, God see that. So what Andrew Holness do is not right. The all them hobby business what them a do. God not like that. You understand? God not like ugly. God not like ugly. You understand me? And you see, I like how Mark Golden went for prayers. You know, see, a pastor did say it. I think it was Pastor Chambers. I can't remember. I think it's Pastor Chambers. I think Pastor Chambers said like Mark Golden. I can't remember my wisdom warriors, but one of them said it. Yeah, one of them said it. And I like the way how he go for prayers. Him need it. Him need the prayers. He's up against principalities and powers. You know see? You know see anytime the Jamaica Labour Party out, I be your Obia people follow them. You know notice? And then they talk about prosperity. Really? Really? So that them a do feel weak. You see, mighty God. Listen, my wisdom warriors. Everything is in our hands. Everything is in the people's hands. Everything. And Jamaica for know say Andrew Holness not ready yet. He act like him ready, but he's not ready because he break too much law. He break the laws. He's not doing nothing for Jamaica. Look on the healthcare. Failing. Education failing. Failing. Education failing. Healthcare failing. I'm telling you, say any country, no matter how them do well, if your healthcare is not booming, if your healthcare is not booming, that country is a failed country. Me always say it, my wisdom warriors. You can't say wealth over health. Never. You have to say health over wealth. But Andrew say wealth over health. And every time I hear Liberator talk about prosperity, what kind of prosperity we not talk about? What kind of prosperity we not talk about? You know crazy? You know crazy? Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors. Want to tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Guys, don't forget. Don't forget, tomorrow is the big day. PNP annual conference will be keeping at National Arena. Make sure say you be there. The place is up and running, my wisdom warriors. I want everybody to come out in the millions. Every single Jamaican. If you don't want a change, roll out and support the PNP. Blessings upon blessings. One love.